Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to fix this bug. Assume you created a web application and you deployed into a jar, and you want to run this jar in your server. For instance, in my case, I have this jar and I want to run in my computer, and in my computer I have installed a JDK. When you're running a project in a Java project in any computer, you have to ensure you have installed Java. As you can see here, when you try to run my Java application here, you can see this unsupported class version error. This error is thrown because I'm trying to run a Java application that is supposed to run in Java 17 version, and in my case I'm using this version Java 11. So in order to run without this error, you have to ensure you install a latest version of Java that can support. For instance, in my case, I'm going to install the latest version. At this time is 22. Let me try to install OpenJDK 19. You can see that is not found. We can search for OpenJDK using apt command tool. As you can see here, a lot of JDKs, OpenJDK, right? And I'm going to install this one. Let me copy, and I can run my command now to install. And you can see now it is installed and there is no error that is thrown when I'm trying to install a JDK package after searching it. In short, you have to install the more recent version of Java before you run your application. Let me navigate to the project and so that I can try to run my jar again. You can see now when I run the same command, it is going to work now because I have installed a Java which support my project Java. Thanks for watching, my friends.